Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So as you all know that today is the budget day and today Nifty showed so much good movement here and it made around low high. If you count its low and high, it's around 620 point. That is more than enough for Nifty, and I haven't seen any kind of movement on budget day previously. So in one day candle chart you can clearly see that it now trades around 70,600. So for taking any kind of selling trade, it needs to closes below 70,500 or 540. Then after that we can take trade for selling. But for any kind of buying trade, it needs to closes above 70,780 or 70,800 level. Then after that we can take trade for buying. So now let's look into in 15-minute candle for taking any kind of trade. In 15-minute candle, you can clearly notice that today market opens gap up and it goes sideways until budget declaration overs, and after that it goes up positively and made high around 70,970, and after that it continuously goes down and made low around 70,320 or 350, and in the last half hours it shows some positive movement here, and right now it trades around 70,605. So my suggestion would be, as I said, if it opens gap up or opens flat and if it trades above 17,700, then you can expect some buying pressure here. Target you can set to 7,800 first, next target will be 7,900, and third target we can set to round level 18,000. Let's assume that if it opens gap up around 7,800 and shows any kind of negative movement there, because it shows some rapid selling pressure here. So if it opens gap up, then it maybe show some negative pressure there, then you can take trade for selling, and target we can set to 70,700 first, next target we can set to 7,625, and third target we can set to 7,605. And it may be happen that it opens gap down. So if it opens gap down and until it closes below that 70,500 level, we are not going to take any kind of selling trade. But if it closes below that 70,500 level, then we will going to take trade for selling, and target we can set to 70,400 round level first, next target we can set to 17,370, and our third target will be 70,300. And that's all about Nifty, guys. If you wanted to analysis by yourself, then you can do it, and believe in yourself and believe in your analysis for taking any kind of trade. Now let's look into Bank Nifty in one day candle chart. In Bank Nifty, it also made huge movement today, and if you count low high, it's around 2,500 point, and which if you count on Bank Nifty's weightage, it is around 6% movement. So right now it trades above say 40,500, and my suggestion would be for taking any kind of selling trade, it needs to closes below 40,400. Then after that you can expect some selling pressure here, and it also made low around 39,500. So if it closes below that, then you can expect some selling pressure until 40,000 round level. Next trade you can set to 39,500. So for taking any kind of buying or selling trade, we are going to look into in 15-minute candle. So in 15-minute candle, you can clearly notice one thing, that it continuously goes down when it touches that higher side, which is 42,000, and it made low around 39,600. And one candle that is here, it made around 850 point in one 15-minute candle, which is already above 2% than Bank Nifty weightage, and which is good movement for us also. And for taking any kind of buying trade, if it opens gap up and if it sustains above 40,800 level, then you can expect some buying pressure here, and target you can set to 40,200 first, next target you can set to 40,600. So if it opens gap up around 41,200 and shows any kind of negative movement there, then you can take trade for selling, and stop loss will be high of that candle, and target you can set to 40,500 first, and the next target you can set to 40,150. And let's assume that it opens flat and it closes below 40,400 level, or if it opens a gap down and it trades below 40,000 level, then you can also take trade for selling, and target you can set to 39,500 level. Previously it took support from that 39,500 level, and today it also took support from that level. So if it opens a gap down around that level and shows any kind of positive movement, then you can also take trade for buying. But I don't think so. It opens a gap down below 1,000 point, and if it so happens, then you may take trade for buying if it shows any kind of positive movement there. And that's all about Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you like the video, please share my channel and subscribe my channel, and let's meet tomorrow. Bye bye everyone.